Okay guys, welcome to day 2 of our design. We'll be considering text too. So we'll be very deep in text too. I'll be explaining all the tools under text. So one, we'll be considering the overview of the text, overview of the interface, menus, basic setup. Okay, so let me quickly just change these text tools. What we'll be considering for text tools. Okay, we'll be adding text, changing fonts, adjusting, spacing, and aligning. So we'll be treating this in a very special way, and it's going to be very deep. So very quickly, let me come to my element. Let me bring in another shape to cover this. Then come to, I said it earlier that now let me lock it. Come to my layer, let me lock it. Then come to my text. So let's go to our quotes. Let's do this. Then let's go to our quotes. We have without hard work nothing goes but rich. So let's consider this now. Now considering this, I have my edit, I have my delete. Delete is to delete it. I said something about to restore. So this one on computer it is called Ctrl Z to restore, to undo. So we undo it without hard work, nothing goes. So I have my copy. I can copy it twice, triplet, quadrant, and many more. So let me just delete it again. So let me delete it. So clicking on it now, I have my to the front, to the back. So let's assume this is in 2 ways. Then I want this one to be behind, or let me delete it and come to my quote again. Making be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. So I want this be kind to be behind. So I'll just go back, taking it back is going to be at the last edge. And let me take it back to the back. I won't be able to see it is around this design. See, it's here to the back. So let me click on it, then bring it to the front again. Now, so that's the functionality of that. So to the back, to the front. Position is where I want it to be. I want it to be at the left, I want it to be at the right, I want it to go up, I want it to go down. This one is the move, how effective I want it to go. This one is the move, how effective I want it, how fast I want it to travel. So that's that. This one, tick on it. Then relative position, I want it to quickly go to the left side, to the right side, to the center, to the middle, to the up, to the down. So this is to the middle. This one also is more of a middle, but where I want it to go to, this one will be done to consider it. Okay, so let me take it up now. Middle, I want it to be at the middle, up. Are we getting this now? I want it to be at the middle, down. So right. So that's the functionality of that. Then we have the size. This one helps me to increase, reduce, how I want my text to be very bold. Then I can also click on my screen to move it. So how bigger, how smaller I want it to move. That's the functionality of size. Now left padding is more of a spacing. Where I want it to go, padding is to give it a space in between. So right padding. So there are some design we are going to be seeing that maybe a lot of write-up, and you are wondering how it is done. So you can do it using, instead of writing one after the other, you can do it this way. So that's the functionality. And this one has it also has undo. So this is undo. So let me use a pen to undo it. So this is undo for this aspect. Undo. Okay, now that's that. You can cancel. This is the for cancel. this for tick, this for undo. So this does undo it, then let's cancel it. So that's that one. We have color, then we can give our design color. We want to change this color, we want to give it purple, can you see, and we want to give this one red. Let me give it yellow, can you see now? So that's the functionality of that. So then we have the texture. This texture, I can import image into my text. For instance, let me import this image into my text. Then I want it to go this way. Click on it, can you see now? Then enable it. So let me change the image to something you'll be able to see. Let me give it, maybe I don't want to give it now. Can you see I inputted a text into the image? So I inputted an image into the text. Let me just delete it. That's that. And then we have the opacity. This one is how you want it to be more visible. So that's that on that. Then I have the rotate, the angles I want it to, how I want it to face, the way I want it to go. So that's the functionality of the rotate. Then you have the font. Okay, before I rush into the font, let me cancel it. I have the marks. These marks help you to add to text, or you can also cut out. This is another tutorial entirely. You can't easily get it like this, but let's just talk about it now. Marks help you to give text to image, to colors. You can do it in different ways, but let me first use mark. You have the in, you have the out. Let me talk about the out. That one, the one I've cut out. Looking at it, no, it is cancelled. I have my workout. Okay, let me copy this. Copy it, then come to marks again. Then I want this nothing good to have to color, so I can just come like this. Click on this one. Click here. I want it to really covers. Then I want it to be that's that and that. So I'll still come back again, copy it, then go to my marks. Go to my marks and click on out. So what I've initially copied to this, I can just merge it together. Without hard work, nothing works so well. Had it been we are doing the tutorial of this one, I would have worked very well on this. So then I'll come back, give it my own different color. I can give this one entirely a texture. Give it the green texture I imputed the other time. So that's the functionality of marks. So it helps you to more of cut out a design, or cut out text or shape or pictures. You can give it a color. You can also use it to form a design. Looking at this now, can you see that I'm giving it two design? So that's that on that. So let me just restore it. Now there's another one I want to talk on. Okay, when we get to color, I guess I'll be talking on color on the tree. So I'll be showing you how you can work on two colors on the text. So let me quickly delete this. Okay, now picture that one I've been talk about. So we have the font. This one helps us to give our fonts our text different kind of fonts. And fonts also in a layman language, fonts mean handwriting. We have a series of handwriting, so each and every one of us have a different type of handwriting. So let me just increase this text. Now this is a font, so let me click on it. Then so let me come here as well, give it a font. So come here, let me give it these fonts. So now so that's that on that. Let us go back to our sizes. Let's see, can we increase this? We can. Now let us reduce the size a little bit. So that's it. Without hard work, nothing grows but weed. Now, but we also have be kind whenever it's possible. So click on it. Then we have talked about the font. We have the bold. You can decide to give it a bold. I can give it italics. I can give it underline, and I can undo everything I've added to it. So that's that and that. So we have the curve. I want it to cover it. Now, okay, let's see. Let's take it this way. Then scroll up. That's that and that. Then into that one, we have the background. So these are I'm just taking my time to introduce us to it. So when we get to the major design, it won't look awkward to us. So we can give each text a background. For instance, reduce the size of this one. So this is not a design. I'm just trying to bring out some things, some nonsense to try to ensure it makes sense to us. Then if I give it a change of color, let me give it a white text. Can you see that it's now kind of making sense to be a design in the shadow before it was not a design. So that's that and that. Then we have the alignment. Alignment helps you to align to the left. Can you see now this text? I'm aligning to the left, just to the center, to the right. So depending on, I want it to be at the left. Now I have my spacing, I have my letter spacing, I have my word spacing. So letter spacing means is to space the letter on the go. Then under it we have the word spacing. It's going to space each and every one of them, each word separately. So let me undo that and that. So I have my line spacing. This is it's more of padding to increase down or up. So that's that. So I have my stroke. I can give it a stroke. Now it's having a black stroke. I'm liking it already with the black stroke because it's making it visible. Then shadow. Let's see shadow. Let's see where can we keep the shadow. The shadow will always help your design to stand out. We have the inner shadow, we have the emboss, we have the CVD rotate. So as time goes by, we'll be talking about this design. See you in my next design. That's the tree design on PixelLab 30 days challenge. Please do us like and subscribe. See you in my next design. Thank you. So don't do it like and subscribe. And also you can take your time to watch out my previous video on the past design if you are not a beginner, if you are not an expert, and anticipate for my 30 days redesign challenge. I will be redesigning some work I saw online or which somebody has done. I'll get all the resources and redesign. But just after the 30 days redesign challenge, I will announce the redesigning challenge. Okay, thank you.